Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for April 2026. General reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. You don't have to message me, or you can go directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Kung hindi nyo makita dyan somewhere, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Okay, Capricorn, what's up? What's up? Kumusta naman mga Capricorn? Kumusta ang April ninyo? Tingnan natin. What's the energy for Capricorn ngayong April? Imagination. Life is your creation. O, diba? Mas magiging, kayo, imaginative, creative. Yun nga lang, Neptune energy, sometimes, it adds confusion. Some of you are confused about the future. Ano yung gagawin mo moving forward. Some of you are feeling lost. Pero kailangan mo kasi ng focus. Oo. You have to go back to yourself. Diba? Lalo na kung yung parang yung naliligaw ka, hindi mo na alam saan ka papunta, edi balikan mo yung sarili mo. Para mas magkaroon ka ng clarity. Clearing, Virgo energy, clearing the nega energies around you. Marami kasing distractions for some of you, Capricorn. Yung bang ang daming nangyayari sabay-sabay, simultaneously, all at the same time. Na parang, for you kasi, yung iba sa inyo yung iba lang naman. Kapag maraming nangyayari all at the same time, you feel that you are doing a lot of things, busy, and feeling more productive ka. Pero ang totoo, cluttered yung isip mo. So, it's time to go back to your center and focus. Ano ba ang goal mo? Ano ba ang goal mo sa katrabaho mo, career mo? And then from there, you can start removing yung mga nagdi-distract sa buhay mo. Mga distractions. Ano bang gusto mo? Kumita ng maraming pera. O magsipag ka. Diba? The Knight of Wands, the Four of Pentacles. Meron kasing energy rito ng push and pull, no? Yung tipong gusto mong maging productive pero minsan tinatamad ka. Or pagdating naman sa pera, may times na gusto mong mag-save ng pera. Pero pag may nakita kang gusto mong bilhin, bibilhin mo ura-urada, hindi mo pag-iisipan. 'Di ba? So may conflict talaga. You have the Chariot. This is moving forward. And then the Hierophant. Yung iba may mga learning opportunities, training, coaching, maaring may mga short courses kang iti-take online that will speed up your career or speed up your journey. Yung iba, baka ikakasal kayo, Kaya lang, kailangan mag-ingat din sa mga decisions ninyo. Lalo na kung major decisions to, huwag masyado magpadala sa emotions kasi minsan, yun yung nagiging reason na may mga pinagsisisihan tayo sa mga naging decision natin. You have the Judgment card, so this is about realization of the choices you made. You will realize na ito pala, hindi pala magandang decision tong nagawa ko na to, or ito pala ay mas makakabuti. So, it's like a rebirth for you. You are beginning to understand yourself. Awakening rin kasi ang Judgment. So, the moon is like your emotions, your fears. So, parang meron kang nililet go na mga takot sa sarili mo. Yung mga limitations, tinatanggal mo na yan. Because you want to be more focused on your goals nang hindi ka naaabala ng mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. You also have the 7 of Wands, so it's time to protect your energies. Kung meron ng mga nagpapastress sa life mo ngayon, you're going to block yung mga stressful energies na yan. You will not let anyone or anything affect you para hindi ka, kumbaga, ma-distract. You have the Tower and the Page of Cups. Some of you, kung single ka, merong unexpected na relationship or someone might, magsasabi, magko-confess ng feelings niya towards you. But I think, yung iba, kung hindi kayo ready, hindi nyo to i-allow na mangyari. There is also maaring may letting go of not actually letting go but leaving a situation. May iiwanan ka, but actually pareho lang din naman yun. May iiwanan ka na situation kasi conflicted na, magulo, and you want peace. Meron kang self-awareness, the things that you need to know, ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong i-release and let go to have peace of mind. You also have support. So, yung ano man support na kailangan mo, it will be given to you in any way, shape, or form. Maaring may mga tao pa rin na nandyan for you to take care of you or to, support you sa mga goals mo. You also have security, financial security, stability in your life. So, yun yung isa sa isi-secure mo. Finances mo, yung resources mo. Dahil mas alam mo ngayon kung ano yung mas importante sa buhay mo. So, yun yung mas bibigyan mo ng focus and attention. Yeah, you are going to focus on the here and now. Yung ngayon, present moment, hindi yung nangyari sa past at hindi yung kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa future. And then, merong magsisimula, no? Something lovely will grow from this. So, if you're starting a relationship, so this can be a start of a romantic connection na, manunurture mo at magbo-blossom, magpa-flourish in the future. Or this can be a job or career path na sinusubukan mo or business na tinatry mo ngayon. This can also mean healing, na you are finally picking up the pieces, picking up the pieces again. Ayun. Yes. So you are growing, you are improving, you are maturing, you are learning. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.